I know it breaks your heart. I moved to the city and I broke down.
A lot of girls ask me how I did my rainbow eyeshadow, so today here's the eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. This is actually pretty simple, so the only thing you need is an Ultra Nova eyeshadow, multi-chrome single eyeshadow, and when you wear it, just one swatch with your finger and boom. Check this out. And finish it up. For inner corner, still. Alright, that's about it. That's how I did my rainbow eyeshadow. Absolutely stunning and simple. Absolutely gorgeous. For one single eyeshadow, it has 5 shades in it. And you can blend them out. Can be eyeshadow, can be a highlighter. Absolutely gorgeous. Do not miss out.